Hi, everyone. I'm Nakako Shibagaki from Shiseido. It's my really great honor to be here as a speaker. And it's not going to be a lecture like Yoshida-san introduced, but I just like to share with you a bit about our skin microbiome research in a company with a general but short introduction about the skin microbiome. Okay, next slide, please. Let me start my talk with this slide, which is more about CMI, consumer market insight, rather than science. But by going through this slide, I hope you would understand our motivation to look into skin microbiome that is relatively a new field of science. I think you would agree that despite the fact that all skincare products currently available over the world were developed based on a huge number of results from decades of skin research, not only by cosmetic companies, but also by academic researchers. But at the moment, consumers are becoming more demanding with their products, and global consumers, both in prestige and general markets, have higher demands for their own preferences. A large proportion are even aware of scientific progress, and they want this reflected in the solutions they use. As a cosmetic company, we should, of course, work on to meet their need, and we thought what we missed and what we should be studying for developing better products is skin microbiome, hidden but important player of our skin's physiology. So far, we did not pay enough attention to skin microbiome when we think of how to improve skin quality or how active molecules in our products do their jobs in the actual skin. In order to develop truly better skincare strategy, we think skin should be regarded as an ecosystem that supports the growth of numerous microorganisms, which in turn function to support good health of skin. Next slide, please. You may know or even have read this book or heard of its title, 10% Human. What it means is that our body has almost 10 times the number of cells compared to the human body cells. After this book was published in 2016, revised estimates was proposed for the cell numbers, and now more people refer to the number close to 50 to 50 rather than 90 to 10. But in any case, it's amazing to think that our body is formed and functioning not only by human cells, but with significant number of microbial cells, like 38 trillion. Most of them reside in gut, intestinal tract, and they have been really intensely studied, and huge amount of new surprising findings are continuously reported. And now we know human microbiome affects many aspects of important functions of our body, including even brain function. Compared to those in the gut, skin does not host too many microorganisms, although solid estimate is not available, partly due to the high heterogeneity of skin and skin microbiome, depending on the body site. But the skin is not an exception. Next slide, please. Thank you. The skin is not an exception, and it has a complex community of resident microorganisms. As Dr. Nava Dayan has given an excellent introduction in her webinar. Skin microbiome is hidden, as they're not unseen, but now you're coming to understand that they actually affect skin physiology, not only in diseased conditions, but also in normal, healthy skins. This picture here in the left side visualizes them in stratum corneum, the outermost layer of skin, should colored for bacteria in magenta, pink, and fungi in blue, and corneal site in yellow. You can see their size in comparison to corneal sites. They're very tiny. A few micrometer is typical scale for bacteria, and a few times bigger than that is yeast. Microbes inhabiting skins are not limited to bacteria or fungi, but include virus, archaea, and even bigger parasites. But more studies reported so far seem to focus on bacteria and fungi, and so do our researchers. So bacteria are not bacteria are not visible, but by detecting their DNA, they can be kind of seen and observed. It's shown to live particularly densely in hair follicles. But dermis area outside of hair follicles, as well as skins without hair follicles, are also shown to be inhabited by bacteria.